With the advent of JetPack 7.2, you can now use the SDK Manager to upgrade your Jetson Thor. Let's hop down to download and install. We'll click Download for Ubuntu.deb ARM64. It's about 115 megabytes. Open up the download folder. Then I'll open a terminal on this folder. In the release notes, we see that in addition to being able to run SDK Manager on Thor, we can also upgrade a JetPack 7 machine without doing a full reflash. This removes one of the major pain points in upgrading JetPack versions. Before doing the install, I'll do a quick apt update. Then it's time to do an apt install on the SDK Manager file we just downloaded. Let's start up the SDK Manager. We'll need to log into our NVIDIA developer account. If you don't have one, they are free to create. Let me sign into mine. Here you can elect to send data to help NVIDIA make the process better. Step 1. We'll configure the environment for the upgrade. This is a little bit of a departure from earlier versions of the SDK Manager. In this case, the Thor is both the host and the target. Notice that the BSP version is 38.4. Hitting the kebab menu in the SDK version, we can select different versions of JetPack. JetPack 7.2 is the only version supported in this release. Continue to step 2. If for some reason you need to change where you download and install updates from, use the change links here. And before you can continue, you must accept your fate. Then it's on to step 3. Next, we have a little bit of bookkeeping. Before going on the quest, SDK Manager checks to see if we are worthy. If we pass its scrutiny, it starts the install. You can see what's executing by clicking on the Terminal tab. After the upgrade is complete, you will receive a subtle suggestion to reboot the machine. When the machine restarts, it will update the UEFI firmware. The machine finishes booting up, and you end up at the login screen. When it gets to the desktop, it launches SDK Manager again. Wow, there's already new versions ready. Let's install them. I couldn't figure out what was wrong here, other than seething hatred. Notice that the BSP version is now 39.2. Let's go back to step 1 and open the hamburger menu. This is where they keep all the utilities. You can consult the user guide for more information about the entries here. Let's check to make sure everything took. We're running Ubuntu 24.04 as expected. That's Jetson Linux 39.2. And JetPack 7.2 is installed. Looks like everything is good to go. jtop is a popular utility maintained by the Jetson developer community. On a new JetPack release, it usually takes a little while for jtop to be updated. That's why you'll see JetPack not detected and other irregularities early on in the release cycle. Note here that the GPU cannot be detected. Let's work on updating to the newest version. On Ubuntu 24.04, this suggested fix is incorrect. We'll wander over to the Jetson Stats repository and scroll down to the Install section, Option 4. Python handles global system packages more strictly in Ubuntu 24.04. The Option 4 install method creates a virtual environment for jtop to run in. If you've installed using this method previously, you can simply use the upgrade method. I chose to remove the virtual environment and do a fresh install. Then I copy the command over and execute the installer. Everything seems happy now. You may have to reboot for changes to take effect after installation. Also, you may find the health command useful if you run into issues. Thanks for watching and subscribing.